Damaged plastic panels? Repair, not replace, and the new Pertec Rechargeable Plastic Repair Kit is designed to repair small to medium-sized damage that could render a panel unusable. The kit comes with a set of tools and a range of consumables which makes it instantly ready for work. The plastic welding tool even includes an LED torch for repairs in light restricted areas. Let's get started on this damaged bumper. First, identify the type of plastic. Checking the reverse of the panel shows that we are dealing with PP, polypropylene. Therefore, the PP plastic filler rods will be used. Now remove the paint and key up the plastic, followed by V'ing out the crack to take the plastic filler. As the damage runs to the edge of the panel, we will now use the hot stapler attachment to stabilize and secure the area during the repair process. For this repair, we will use the welding tip that's fitted with the filler rod feeding tube. Key up the area to be repaired with the welding tip. Then steadily feed in the PP filler rod with the welding tip held against the panel. Repeat the process on the reverse side to complete the plastic welding repair. For a plastic only repair, the staple is now removed. Then tidy up the edge with the hot welding tip and finish off with the DA. And as you can see, this plastic only repair is very strong but remains flexible. The standard welding tip is used for smaller general repairs and when using the supplied stainless steel reinforcing mesh. When it's necessary to recharge the tool, simply plug in the supplied USB charging cable into a suitable adapter and then into the tool. The light glows red when charging, then changes to green when fully charged. The Pertec Rechargeable Plastic Repair Kit, available now from your nearest stockist.